Ever feel like your nightstand is secretly auditioning for a spaghetti commercial? Well, what if I told you one tiny gadget could make this chaos disappear faster than your willpower after midnight snacks? Today, we're testing the 3-in-1 wireless charging station that claims to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time. No more cable clutter, no more where's my charger at 2 a.m. You just drop it on the wireless charger. But does it actually work, or is it just another as seen on TikTok fail? So first off, it comes with everything: the foldable charging station, a Type-C cable, 18-watt adapter, and a manual that I'll definitely for sure read someday. Not only that, it's covered in PU leather, which is going to give it a nice quality look, and it can be folded flat so that it's easy to take on, you know, a plane or something. Okay, so it claims that it works with every iPhone from the 12 to the 17 Pro Max, and works on the Samsung Galaxy S24 and 25 Ultra. So basically, if it has the word fruit or ultra, so basically if it has a fruit or the word ultra in the name, it'll charge. So it does 15 watts for iPhones, 3 watts for AirPods, and 2.5 watts for the watch. And by the way, dual coils means you can charge horizontally or vertically. Netflix and charge, that's called efficiency. Netflix and charge, that's called efficiency. It's also got a ton of protections built in, because this thing kind of scared me at first. I've had some plastic chargers that kind of get so hot with the electricity going through wirelessly that it actually burns the charger. This has overcurrent, overvoltage, over temperature, and short circuit protection. Honestly, this charger has more features than this thing has more safety features than my last car. So, as I said, this folds down to pocket size so you can flex on business trips or at your friend's place. Each charging spot has its own indicator, so you'll know what's juiced up and what's just... Each charging spot has its own indicator, so you'll know what's actually charged, charging, or not charging for some reason, if it's not centered properly or something. So is this 3-in-1 charger worth it? For anyone tired of cable chaos and desk spaghetti, absolutely. It is a really solid little gadget, especially for traveling, because it's so flat and small and easy to keep all your gadgets in one spot. I think it's pretty cool, especially with one cable, 3 gadgets, high-speed charging. It's a win-win. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment. What's the weirdest thing you've tried to charge? Hit that bell, and remember, hit that notification bell, or your phone will never hit 100% again. That's just science, okay? See you next time.